Amazon sellers, I've got some breaking news for you, and it has to do with more and more of you coming to us after your accounts have been down for 1, 2, even 3 years, and now you're looking to get back into the Amazon game. Okay, Amazon sellers, so we're seeing a dramatic increase in the number of sellers that are contacting us through this case submission button on our website, by emailing me at this email address, or using the good old-fashioned phone, calling me at this number, where you have decided to get back into selling on Amazon with accounts that have been down. We've seen over this is just over the last week or so, accounts that have been down for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and I think that the oldest account that my team has reinstated was suspended over 6 years before the Amazon seller contacted us and said, hey, I had this Amazon account, I want to get back into selling, can you help me? So here is the good news. I love that more and more of you are getting back into selling on Amazon, and that as a whole, Amazon sellers are recognizing just how awesome my incredible team of paralegals and my partner lawyers are. What's also good news is that over the last 7 years plus that me and my team have been focused on you, the Amazon sellers, we've never seen Amazon hold to the deadlines that it set for you. At times over the years, it was 17 days to submit your plan of action, or you have 72 hours to do A, B, C, and D, or 48 hours or 24 hours. So the good news is that we've never seen Amazon hold you to the deadlines. It's never been a case where you were time barred or Amazon imposed a statute of limitations on you. So whether your account has been down for a day, a week, an hour, a year, or even as much as 6 years, and you've decided you want to get that account back, contact me in any one of these ways. We will look at the account, we'll look at the reason for your suspension, and what I'm trying to tell you that it's not necessarily a time issue, it's the reason for the account being deactivated that really leads to our decision to whether we think we can help you get reactivated or we think you're dead in the water. And if you need more guidance, go to our website, the greatest depository of information to sell on Amazon anywhere on earth.